Have you ever taken the perfect photo, but there's something in the background that ruins it? Maybe it's a random person, a trash can, or just something distracting. Don't worry, removing it is now easier than ever. With free AI-powered photo editing apps, you can delete unwanted objects in just one tap. Simply open your photo, highlight the object, and watch as the app fills in the background like magic. No Photoshop skills needed, and no hours of editing. Apps like Snapseed, Adobe Photoshop Express, or even some built-in phone editors already have this feature. Just tap, erase, and your photo looks instantly clean and professional. Whether you're editing selfies, travel photos, or product shots, this trick saves time and makes your pictures look flawless. So, before you post your next photo, try this one-tap hack and see the difference for yourself. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.